Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share about two major reasons due to that print companies are not growing. Nowadays, one of the common questions print companies are asking, they have implemented the best of class web to print solution, but it failed to grow their sales and business. The major reasons are first, most of the print companies fail to identify their key business challenges which are critical and directly impacting on their business growth. And second, breaking down those challenges and prioritizing for better and quick result. We also understand every business has four major key aspects: lead generation, lead to order conversion, order to delivery, and repeat sales. So let me share one of our client case study with you. Initially, they connected with Team on Print Shop to have a print business solution that can help them achieve their multiple business goals. But they were completely confused that which challenge they need to prioritize first for getting good result. Here, Team OnPrint Shop helped them with the right consultation to break down and prioritize all shared key business challenges for quick results. Because working with 1,000 plus successful print companies, we understand for getting success, any print company, whether they have an existing business or planning to start a new print business, must need to focus on creating a strong order management system. And then only they can look for the other activities. So after the consultation process, client also realized instead of working on all problem at a time, they must need to break down problem for quick and quantifiable results. So among all challenges, they realize automatic order to delivery is very essential as a step one, which will help them to increase their repeat business as well. As without solving order management challenges, bringing new order will become a bottleneck situation for them and they will lose their existing customer as well. That way, they automated the existing customers ordering, streamlined their production process, reduced the repetitive task, and improvise productivity as well. And their production team got extra time to execute and deliver new orders on time. After solving the challenges related to order management, in step two, they started focusing on UI UX related needs and challenges, as giving the best buying experience is the second critical factor that print companies need to take care. And it depends on various factors like your key product offering as per print expertise, competitive price, easy ordering flow, etc. Without improving UI UX, moving to marketing activity will damage their brand also. As per Harvard Business Review, post pandemic, companies did not just compete with their competitor, but also with their clients' last best buying experience. Consumer expectations were already on the rise before the pandemic, and it accelerated overnight post pandemic hit. This is in turn sent customer expectation skyrocketing in terms of what companies could do for them with a more simplified buying experience. Post that, in step three, they looked after lead generation activities. That way, OnPrint Shop helped them to implement the web to print solution successfully by breaking down and prioritizing among multiple challenges. Let us know if you are also struggling with a similar case and would like to get the right consultation. Connect with Team OnPrint Shop on www.onprintshop.com. Thank you.